day trading is hard, and I 100% agree with it. Trading is not something that just comes to you and something that you just pick up on a random day. Day trading takes dedication, it takes skill, it takes knowledge, it takes power. It's insane how much power trading takes out of you. I mean, I remember when I first started trading, I learned on my own. It took me a year just to be able to find a profitable strategy. Not only that, that made me realize that hell, you can have an amazing strategy. Fuck, you can have the best strategy in the world, but if you don't have the right psychology, bro, that strategy means shit. I'll repeat that again. You can have the best strategy in the world, but if you don't have the right psychology, that means shit. And I'm not saying this to discourage anyone. This is honestly such an important lesson that I honestly just had to pick up in trading. And me being self-taught, it took many years. Many years. And hell, I'm still struggling with it today. I mean, bro, today I had a beautiful trade, a beautiful strategy that played out. And what did I do? I didn't take it. And do I hate myself for that today? Well, I mean, I'm not the happiest. Of course, I'm a little disappointed I didn't take that trade because I did miss out on close to what it was. It was 700 almost, yeah. Because I have a couple linked accounts. Anyways, that's not the point though. Am I discouraged? Yes, I'm discouraged. But am I gonna make that affect my day and destroy my whole day? No. Why? Because tomorrow is another day. I mean, never think of trading as something that once one day happens, like this day is never gonna come back. In a sense, it's true, but at the same time, the market always repeats itself. So don't ever be discouraged saying, oh, I never took this trade. Oh, I never did this. Oh, I never did that. Guys, markets repeat itself. That's why strategies are so important in the market. Markets always repeat itself. I know I might sound like a broken record, but I'm trying to drill this in your head because, guys, this is such a key concept in trading. Having the right psychology. Now, of course, don't enter trades just to enter trades. Enter them because you have a strong conviction of a strategy. Now, guys, strategies are so important. It takes a long time to find the strategy if you're not after a mentor and you're just learning on yourself. Finding a strategy takes a lot of time. It took me close to a year to find a profitable strategy. Let alone, I have 2 strategies, so add the years. It takes a lot of time. But guys, trading honestly is sky's the limits. You can make so much money on trading. It's like, I can't even explain how much fucking money you can make. Sky's the limits, bro. But at the same time, sky's the limits of how much you can lose. That's something that you have to think about. So what you can take from this video is what I'm trying to say is psychology is very much important, and it's extremely important if you want to become successful in the market and see a future in this industry. Last thing I want to let off before I let you go is I have a free mentorship down below. It's free, so you can check out the free trial. Not asking for any money. If it's the right place for you, then you can stay, you can enjoy it, you can enjoy all the perks of being in the mentorship with me and trade with me, learn with me. It would be very beneficial, honestly. And I think that you would really benefit from it. It's completely free. So you have a free trial. Check it out. If it's the right place for you, stay. If not, then you are more than welcome to leave. So I hope you have a beautiful rest of your day. Leave a like, subscribe, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did like this type of video, let me know in the comments. I'll try to make more of them.